Hi, I wanted to provide a brief overview of selecting the topics over the next 3 weeks, weeks 3, 4, and 5. As you can see on the weeks 3 through 5 tab at the bottom, there's that page which we're looking at, or it's down below. Um, and you can see there's this matrix of these lovely different age groups, K through 3, K through 5, graduate students, etc. And then going down, there's all these different learning mediums, mobile learning, social networking, flipped classroom, etc. Rather than dictate and tell you specifically what I wanted you to look at, like we will all deal with hybrid learning in high school, I would much rather have you do specific reviews and look for practical and theoretical articles that interest you in 3 different areas. Now, the benefit of this is that you can explore in depth those things which interest you and in which you have experience, or if you choose, you can select something to which you have no exposure, and this is a time when you can explore those different areas. If there is a theme which you want to explore, such as mobile learning, you could look at mobile learning in K through 5, undergraduate students as well as adult learners. Or you could follow something else, such as working with high schoolers, and you could look at using open source with high schoolers, project-based learning with high schoolers, and the flipped classroom. Or you could just do a mixed hodgepodge of social networking and graduate students, project-based learning and K through 5, and then open learning and adult learners. Whatever 3 different groups you want to work with is fine as long as you stay focused in the 1 week. Like week 3, you have one focus. Week 4, you have a second focus. In order to keep track of this, that's why there's a second slide here, which is the theme learner level and then the theme learner medium, so that you can keep track of these things and write them down. Also, I've put the specific assignments which are due each week for each group: the relevant practical journal article, the relevant theoretical article, commenting on your peers' posts, and then evaluating and posting 5 learning resources with links that are related to that material, that topic of learner level and learning medium which you've worked with. So you are not just gaining exposure to stuff, you are also assembling resources, and you're putting these together on your blog so that in the future, whether you're doing a portfolio or you're writing exams or you're dealing with something at work and you want to draw on these resources, you have them at hand. They're easy to locate. So again, the idea here is for you to explore those things which interest you in depth. Take a week, focus on that, find some key articles, think about it, and then pop your head up, move on to the next week, and find something else to focus on. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm hoping this works out well. If you have any concerns, also be in touch with me, and please pay attention quite closely to the descriptions of what a scholarly peer-reviewed journal article are. As long as you find those, then we should be fine. All right, thanks.